Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi. Today I'm sharing a healthy carrot cake recipe made without maida. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a pan, add in half cup raw sugar. Turn on the flame and allow the sugar to get melted. And once the sugar has melted and has started to caramelize, add in half cup water and allow the water to come to a boil. And once the water starts to boil, add in 1 cup of grated carrot. Give it a stir and allow the carrots to get cooked lightly. When the carrots are lightly cooked, turn off the flame and allow it to cool down completely. While the carrot caramelized mix is getting cooled down, into my small chutney grinder, I'm adding in a small piece of nutmeg, a small piece of cinnamon, 5 cloves, 1/4 cup raw sugar, and grind this to a fine powder. Into a bowl, I have already added 1 cup of khapli wheat flour. Khapli wheat is also known as emmer wheat, and it's an ancient variety of wheat grain which has a very weak gluten molecule. However, you can use whole wheat flour instead. I prefer to use khapli wheat in my recipes. 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, half teaspoon baking powder. With a fork, I'm giving this all a good mix. I have some finely chopped walnuts. Instead of walnuts, you can use any nut of your choice. So into the flour, I'm adding in 2 tablespoon walnuts. I'm keeping aside 1 tablespoon walnut to sprinkle on top of the cake batter. With the fork, give this a good mix and keep this aside. Into a large bowl, I'm adding in half cup melted butter. Add in the ground sugar and spice mix, and with a whisk, give this a good mix. Add in 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and give this a good mix. Add in the caramel carrot mix. Give this a good mix. Add in the khapli wheat flour mix. At this moment, I have preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Once mixed, this is the consistency of the batter. It is of free-flowing consistency. Now, if your batter is slightly thick, you can add in 1 to 2 tablespoons water. Pour the cake batter into the prepared cake pan. Lightly level the batter. Sprinkle the kept aside finely chopped walnuts on top, and I'm going to bake in my preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 30 to 40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. And my cake is out of the oven. I'm going to allow it to cool down slightly and then I'll slice and show you how it looks. You can notice that the cake is soft even though it is made with khapli wheat flour. Let me just slice and show you how the cake looks. See how soft the carrot cake is. So guys, do try this healthy carrot cake and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.